In the Holy Quran and in the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, we can see many references. That's why Allah has created us with differences. And Allah wants to live in this world with peace and harmony.
And to put more light on it, I would like to call Brother Furqan on the stage. So please welcome Brother Furqan to speak on the topic of unity and diversity.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulil kareem wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Inna akramakum indallahi atqakum. Respected guests, parents, teachers of Iqra Islamic School, and my dear brothers and sisters, I welcome you with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy, and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be upon all of you. Brothers and sisters, today I want to talk about something very important in Islam: communal harmony. Communal harmony means living peacefully and respectfully with the people from different backgrounds, like different religions, different cultures and languages. In Islam, this is not just a nice idea, but it's a fundamental part of our faith. Allah teaches us in the Quran to respect and appreciate diversity. He created us in different tribes and nations so that we may know one another, not so that we may fight or hate each other. Allah says in the Quran, chapter 49, verse number 13, يا أيها الناس إنا خلقناكم من ذكر وأنثى وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل لتعارفوا. All mankind, indeed, we have created you from one male and female and made you people and tribes and nations so that you may know one another, not so that we may fight or hate each other. In the life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, we see many examples of how he treated people from different backgrounds with kindness, and he welcomed people of all races and religions into his community and treated them as equal. He taught us that in the eyes of Allah, the most honored are those who are the most righteous, not those who belong to a certain tribe or nation. As a Muslims, we have a duty to promote peace and harmony in our communities. This means standing against discrimination and injustice and reaching out to those who are different from us with kindness and compassion. We should strive to build a strong relationship with the people and cultures and work together for the common good. One of the most beautiful teachings of Islam is the concept of brotherhood. Regardless of differences, we are all parts of the Ummah, the global Muslim community. But communal harmony, it's not just about treat other Muslims, it's also treat other Muslims in the interest of other faiths. Islam teaches us to respect the beliefs and practices. We are them kindness and fairness. May Allah, in conclusion, communal harmony is a core value of Islam. It is tolerance or coexistence. It is about embracing diversity and building strong. As a Muslims, we have a responsibility to promote peace and unity in this world. May Allah guide us to one common path. May Allah grant us wisdom and courage to promote communal harmony in our communities. Ameen. With this note, I would like to end my talk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.